As legislators return to work this week, a new law set to take effect in Maine aims to save lives in schools by requiring cardiac emergency response plans and expanding access to defibrillators.
For this month's Heart Health 8, we're showing you how one York County school is getting ahead of the curve.
And I think the worst feeling that you can have is to feel helpless.
Empowering school staff to act before EMTs can get there. Next school year, a new law will require Maine schools to create cardiac emergency response plans and expand access to AEDs at athletic events.
Working specifically with Sea Road School has been really rewarding.
At Sea Road School in Kennebunk, they have been working with Dean Oriema, a longtime EMT firefighter with a background in education himself. He says when cardiac arrest happens, this work can be the difference between life and death.
The first 4 or 5 minutes are the most crucial.
The American Heart Association says more than 356,000 people suffer cardiac arrest outside of a hospital every year. That includes nearly 23,000 children. Without immediate action, 9 victims out of 10 will die.
These laws are inspired by real people in Maryland, in New York, and we can do that in Maine without it being the result of a tragedy where we could have done better and done better for that family and that child.
This bill came to be after a man watching a state championship game in 2024 went into cardiac arrest. School staff in Kennebunk knew what to do.
It saved his life, and everyone was in awe because everyone had a role to play.
Back at Sea Road School, Abby Farnham, the school nurse, says everyone having a role is critical to the plan.
We came up with a code word that would activate the team to respond to the emergency.
They'll start drills soon. 2 AEDs are now placed in central locations designed to be reached quickly anywhere in the building. This also comes as research published in 2025 found that sudden cardiac death in children rises sharply during the teenage years, possibly linked to hormone changes.
So where do the kids spend most of their time? In school, in some kind of athletic event. So it just makes sense.
For Corey Steer, the school's principal, this planning goes beyond compliance. It's about trust.
Parents, when they drop their kids off in the morning or get them onto the bus in the morning, they're trusting that the kids are going to be coming to school and they're going to be safe and they're going to be returned to them as they were in the morning.
AEDs cost about $1,200, and training staff costs money too. State funding was included in the original bill. It was taken out after debate. Advocates say they want schools to make a plan first, then ask for resources needed after that.